Attention Jamaicans, this is RTBoss. Me and we not so good at times, but we're good at times.
RTBoss, look at my blood clot, them RTBoss. He's a blood clot party man.
People come support, you know. Only when you have no supermarkets or no business places, I don't want people to come.
Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Bless love and greetings, a pleasant good morning. You don't know a lion foot for 7 minutes, I hear the voice saying, big up everybody on the platform, and nothing but love and blessings. Saying, Holy Emmanuel, I still see you. Yeah, man, don't forget to like and share the content. Subscribe and click the bell. Coming up in this vlog here, we have RTBoss. I give you some generator. You know the flood will go on with the barrel. So RTBoss, I give you some generator. Some work with solar system and some work with gas. Zine. So you can reach out to me if you would like one. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. And also we have Delco Cusss out RTBoss. Yeah, see me? Yeah, so we have Zamunda. I call out some artists, man, and some politicians and some, you know, people with money that can help the people. Because right now Jamaica need of help, and you don't know Grenada also. Big up White Yard, we see White Yard they do a cause for Jamaica and Grenada. Grenada was hit badly as well by the storm. See, so that I go up and I go up on this vlog here today. So you see me? Yeah, we're gonna run through it and we're gonna hear what I go on, and big up Zamunda, because I love what Zamunda speak. The artists them rich. So them help, man. They can do it, you know. You see me I say? Yeah, man. So big up on yourself. Don't go away the way forward.
Watch on looking at you know, brain tear spooky. I'm saying Lionfoot TV. Tear, you know. Keep it locked. Boop.
Alright, my viewers and subscribers, Kings and Queens, Lion and Lioness. First, we'll kick off the local segment with Derek. Yeah, Derek a Cusss RTBoss. I don't know why he's cussing RTBoss, but yeah, well,
RTBoss, look at my blood clot, them RTBoss. He's a blood clot party man. And so you run RTBoss, you can't wear me a blood clot RTBoss. But suck your mother RTBoss. You're crossing. You come on TikTok, the blood clot RTBoss. You think you can't give me blood clot RTBoss? I was a blood clot long time, bumpy blood clot man. It's skin full of beer, bump no blood clot. About my skeleton body body here. RTBoss full of bump no blood clot. RTBoss full of bump. RTBoss full of blood clot bump. Look at my blood clot here. Because you want to put them to your bump, man. It's a blood clot batty boy. Because suck your mother, RTBoss. Mental say you're batty man. I look blood clot. Mental can't send him who come here to blood clot. RTBoss. Me want blood clot. Everyone says, I'm sucking the blood clot batty boy. RT. A batty man.
Where's the Spice TV intro?
One blood clot blinger. RTBoss move the blood clot. One blinger. RTBoss are wicked no blood clot. Miss blood of the time to your RTBoss. If you go over RTBoss, move your blood clot and go. Where? Move your pussy clot and go. Yeah.
Hey, Derek, but no nice in the lyric. I cuss it about. Yeah, I tell you. Boy, come like I said, Derek gets some money for Cusss RT. Him just a different blinger. You know, bling and RTBoss fall out. But I tell you about TikTok and social media. Yeah. Yeah, so, meanwhile, Derek Cusss RTBoss, you know, RTBoss, I give you some generator because of the hurricane, you know what I mean, that passed through where there. And some people are affected without lights and them things there, you see me? So, RTBoss, I give you some generator. So here I go.
Attention Jamaicans, this is RTBoss. Me and we not so good at times, but we're good at times. In this time where this hurricane energy passed, and I know it is very devastating in the whole JPS energy, so I decided to donate 70 generator. One work with gas and one work with solar, yes. And these are in Jamaica as we speak. Now, all I want you to do is call the number that I post and tell me where in Jamaica you are, and I send my team to install this generator coming from RTBoss, bite out of my pocket, out of my company. God bless Jamaica, out of many one people. Big up.
Yes, people, there you have it. RTBoss, I give you some generator. Some work with gas, some work with solar, you know, so light, that's sunlight. But that's a good cause. That's a good cause, you know. at least RTBoss I do something good. You see, I give back. Even though I'm the cost of people, man, I rejoice, man. People who have been affected by burial, you know. Yeah, but when you can reach out to him still, and hopefully you will get the opportunity to get a generator so you can gain back some light and for run your business, whether you have a refrigerator and you know what I mean, for run your house or your shop or whatever. But big up RT on the cause, good cause. You see it? Yeah, man. So, last but not least now, Zamunda, the big singer, the hit artist, yeah. Also crying out and I speak out to the people that can help and not help the situation right now because of, you know, hurricane Beryl wasn't bad as how it was seemed expected to be, but still a lot of people are affected, you know. I think St. Elizabeth get it the most, but yeah, Zamunda talk, I say, yo, I see some people that can help and not help, but him look what he can do. You see me? So here is Zamunda, I say. I respect Zamunda for that talk, yeah. True, man. Some man rich and I go like say, you know, them are dead left money and car and house and them saying that. Sure, man, I help someone if you can, man.
Yes, blessed love. Yeah, me there, I'm forward for talk, you know, because I'm not really there at Jamaica right now still, but I stay from where I am and help who I can help in my country and do all that I can do for my people in my country. Seeing? Alright. Jamaica right now is in a serious condition. Like, nothing, no good down a yard. Right now, no good down a yard there. You understand? And when you know, say, me no regular come talk, you know. You understand? Because I stammer. I'm not too good for the talking. You understand? But when me come talk, I'm not pretty up nothing. That's the real thing that I come talk right now. Saying, we as artists, we as athletes, we as business people, we as politicians, that the people give power. Now the people them need we know. What are we gonna do? Me not see nobody a come talk, you know. Me not see none of them artists here neither, you know, where the people them make rich, you know. Me not see none of them a come talk. Oh, we can help some people, you know. Or we can put on back some people roof, and or we can help some poor people, or we can feed some people, you know. Me not see none of that a go on, you know. I don't see none of that a go on. And we are nothing without the people them. And the people them make we rich. And the people them make we have everything what we have. As business people, as musicians, as entertainers, the people them, we are nothing without the people them. Yeah, so what go on now? What go on now? Yeah. Me soon no man I go about on the day-to-day life like everything alright, everything not alright. Not because you're in a situation where you can't help yourself and help your family and your local surrounded. That means no man, spread the blessing, man. Spread the blessing with Jah give you. Spread the wealth. You understand? Because all the way we are have a pile up. We shall leave all of this, you know. We came here with nothing and we are leaving without nothing. You understand? Yeah, this time come show with that. Say all of the house and all the way we have a cherish and I put over people. One storm, everything gone. That's to show you that we are nothing. All we have is we as people. That's all we have is we as people. You understand? The next 100 years from now in our say, you know, there's some different set of people they on the earth, you know. You get me? Yes, so all of them artists I know we have 100 man a walk up and down. Back at them at daytime a burn weed and a drink rum. And if you can't some of them man in some community go chop down some tree and lift up some light post. help some old people, help some people, bro. What are we doing? What are we doing? We are not doing anything. What we gonna do? Sit around and blame Andrew Holness, blame the Prime Minister, blame this and blame that. When we as artists and business people are making so much money, where we enough of we put together richer than Prime Minister 10 times. I'm still see man by internet, I still see artists by internet and I mix up and all this bag of thing and I go on like say them not see what I go on in the country. Bro, you not see what I go on? Only so mean, only so selfish. The only time you not mean and you not selfish are when you have on a stage show and you want people come support you. Only when you have on supermarkets and business places and you want people to come buy anything to support you. Now the people them need we now. Yes, I want to see.
Alright, that's at the end of the vlog. Big up on yourself. Don't forget to like and share the content. Subscribe and click the bell. You know the man of peace. So we keep it real on the back of field over here. So holy man, we realize it. Hey, go check out my single. Nah, stop try. Please.
Me nah stop trying until me get that flying.